Hello everyone. So you all must be eagerly waiting for the exciting giveaway that we have announced yesterday, right? And what exactly is that gift? Already you must have seen it on the thumbnail. So that is this exciting book, Life at Law School, written by Avni Bansal. So you must know Avni Bansal. She is a very famous advocate in India. She did her BLLB from HNLU Raipur and BCL and MPhil from Oxford University and her MPhil from Harvard Law School, right? And this book, I purchased this book a week or two ago, I guess, and I completed reading this book. Like it is very interesting book. Every law student, like everyone who is aspiring to be a law student and entering into law school, must read this book. Like everything is there in this book about how to start your law school journey, about moot courts, internships, various resources which you have to harness, and about friends, life at law school, everything about law school, everything is there in this book. So I guess I think everyone should read this book. And since you all are law aspirants, law entrance aspirants for that matter, so you must be you must be thinking about your dream NLU. So after going there, so how you have to plan? So it's not only about NLU, but it is about any law school that you are going to enter, maybe in a year or two. All right. So this is really a very wonderful book, and we are going to give away three copies of these books, like to three of our lucky subscribers. Okay. All right. So when I'm giving this book, I cannot give it for free. So I have to take something from you, right? So most of the giveaways are like this. So they expect something, there is some benefit which the person who is giving away will get. All right. So what you have to do, there are two major giveaway rules. Number one is you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. All right. Then you have to take a screenshot of that. Okay. Number two, you have to follow us on Instagram and click on the notification icon there also and take a screenshot of that. Okay. Now take both the screenshots and send it to our Instagram handle, that is Exams Hangout. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then the links will be dropped below. And if you're watching it on IGTV, then you definitely know what exactly is our Instagram handle, right? So you have to send these two screenshots to us. And this giveaway will go live by the time when this video gets uploaded on YouTube and IGTV. And so these are very simple giveaway rules. And from 28th, I guess this video will be published today only. I'm recording it on 28th. 29th, 30th, 31st, and 1st. So you have 4 days time. Like till 1st, we'll accept messages from you all. And on 2nd, we'll take out some chits and write down all the usernames from which we got these messages. And randomly, we'll pick up three chits. And from that three chits, we'll we'll open that and we'll find that usernames and we'll get back to you. And those three usernames which are there, we'll ask them to give their address and this book will directly deliver to your home. So in the earlier giveaway, we were unable to deliver the book what par made, so only people from Hyderabad got it, four or five students, I guess. Even some of them in Hyderabad also did not get that. But now we are going to give it away. It will be at your doorstep. But only for Indians. If you want this book, make sure that you participate in this exciting giveaway. Okay. So that's all for now.